Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this 2020 Buick Encore GX, and we're going to do the side chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the side panels, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire panel. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So when it comes to installing the film to each panel, find one edge to start with. So for this one, you would start on this end. For the next one, you would start on this end, and so forth. So just align the film to the edge, place it down, make sure everything is being covered. With this one, you could have the door open. That way you have room to work with inside here. Grab your squeegee and start tacking down the film. Make sure to remove any air bubbles that are underneath the film. Once you place the film, grab your heat gun and start applying heat to the entire panel. That way we help the film start molding to the design of the panel that we're working on. With this section here, you have two options. You can either help the film tack down around the edge here. You could trim it off. It's completely up to you depending on how you want to do it in case you want to cover the chrome here. But remember, you will have a little bit of excess material on the top and a little bit on the edge here. That will get trimmed off after we apply heat to help everything tack down. And the same steps that are done with this one, you will repeat it for the next one. The only difference is with this one, use the lower section as a guide in order to align the film, like how we did it here. And then the rest should just cover along until you reach it to the other end. So once everything's tacked down, create an outline with your finger so you can know where you're going to trim. Insert your blade and just carefully start trimming off the excess material. And apply heat one more time just to seal the entire panel, and you move on to the next install. Once you finish installing the panel, now we move on to the next piece. With this one, just make sure you place the film to the chrome and then just align it to the edge here. Make sure you're covering the chrome. And like I mentioned, you could use the lower section of the chrome panel as a guide to align the film. So just go along and install everything. And then once you finish aligning everything, use your squeegee to tack everything down to remove any air underneath the panel. So when it comes to installing this piece, recommend starting from this section here first. Place the film, align it to this edge of the panel. So make sure you're covering the chrome here. Follow along with the design up to here. Lift the film carefully and just work your way to the rest of the panel. And if you see that you're not covering some of the section of the chrome, you can always lift the film carefully, realign it, and just help it tack down carefully. Just like that, pretty simple. Grab your squeegee, start tacking down the entire film. Make sure to remove any air that may be underneath the panel. Once you finish tacking it down, apply heat to help the film start tacking down to the design of the panel. Apply heat on the top edges, on the lower section, on the side. Once you finish applying heat, remove any excess material, and then we're done. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. That concludes the installation video for the side chrome delete for the 2020 Buick Encore. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.